Hello guys, good evening. Just would like to share to you this VRX-1E Truggy electric power that I bought from Remo Hobby Philippines. So thank you Remo Hobby Philippines for this huge 1/8 scale Truggy RC. Alright guys, so part of this unboxing, let me just share to you some of the specs, no, about this Truggy or the VRX Truggy 1/8 4-wheel drive scale RC. So the specs is overall length is 550 millimeter. So it's like a 24 inches long. I don't know. Height is 25 millimeter. And a front wheel track, it has 355 millimeter. Gear ratio, which has a 112.83. Wheel width is 81 mm. Weight is, wow, 4.5 kilograms. Overall width 440 millimeter. Wheelbase, it has 365 millimeter. Rear wheel track, it has 359 millimeter. Wheel diameter 140 millimeter, and the ground clearance has 42 millimeter. Right, so this one is an RTR VRX. RTR meaning ready to run. Alright guys, so let's do unboxing. Alright guys, so let's do unboxing of this VRX Truggy 1/8 scale 4-wheel drive RTR or ready to run. So first, this is the transmitter with antenna. It is a digital transmitter. Okay, so it has a 8 AA batteries right here. Okay. Nice. And then it has a 1/8 scale 17 mm tire of this Truggy. It has 4 tires. Carry rabbit. So this is it, the 1/8 scale Truggy. So let me just remove this tie wrap right here. Okay. Right. Okay, removing the pins. Okay. Right, so this is the body of VRX-1E. Right, inside of the VRX-1E shell. So it has actually 2 LiPo batteries. This one is 2S, so a total of 4S battery. And then one 2S battery is actually a 7.4 volts. Here you can see it, 5,000 milliampere times 2. So this is the power or the type of battery that can give power to this 1/8 scale Truggy 4-wheel drive. And then this one has a split connector, goes to the ESC. Right, so this one is the electronic speed controller, heatsink, and then the ESC, the motor, 1/8 scale Truggy. Right, so this one is the servo. Ito yung ginagamit pagka lumiliko. And then it has actually a right, so over here it has the rear shock plate, okay, And then the oil suspension, as you can see, the blue one. Let me just get it for you. Okay, so at the back is a alloy chassis, right here, over here, and then hard plastic shock suspension, and then right here same, tapos yung oil shock nya. Alright, ano pa ba? This one is the receiver, the servo, yung ito yung pag lumiliko. So it's really a big Truggy, you know, 1/8 scale metal and aluminum chassis, everything in this Truggy. Nice. So aside from the this one, right? So inside this box, which contains the manual and some of the special tools that you can use if needed. So here's the the wrench for the 17mm tire. Okay, so let's do some installation of the tires. So basically guys, let's try this out. Right, so okay. So one thing for sure, kailangan din na hawakan to, baka mamaya lumipad. Okay? Right?